Hello and welcome to my channel Creative Edmo, where you can learn to use the right word at the right time. If you're here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe. So today is day 23 and I hope you remember all the previous words. If not, please watch those videos again. Link will be given in the end. So today we'll be discussing two words which mean the same, but there's a big difference in the way those words are used. So here is today's vocab test. Let's see if you can guess these words. The first word is a 7-lettered word ending with E. It means friendly. The second word is 8-lettered word also ending with E, and it also means the same. But the difference is that the first word is used to describe people, whereas the second word is used to describe things. Any idea? Now let's discuss these words in detail. So the first word is used to describe people who are friendly, and the word is amiable. A-M-I-A-B-L-E. Amiable. And how can you use it in sentences? I am blessed to have such amiable neighbors. If your neighbors are quite friendly, which is really important. He was quite polite and amiable. The second word is amicable. A-M-I-C-A-B-L-E. Amicable. When people have an amicable relationship, they are pleasant to each other and solve their problems peacefully. These words sound similar. The only difference is that of a C, and these words mean almost the same. That's why people often get confused and end up using these words incorrectly. So it is very important to understand how to use these words in sentences. Now, here are the examples. Let's find an amicable solution. That means a peaceful solution. Our discussions were amicable, friendly or peaceful. Now, please remember that the word amiable is used for people and the word amicable is used for things, relations, interactions and situations. If you found this video helpful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe to Creative Edmo. Keep learning and keep watching our videos. Thank you and have a nice day.